Hello again. Well, I've reluctantly decided to enter into the Potato Tower Challenge. I wasn't going to because it's something I've tried before with no luck whatsoever, but I see no harm in giving it another try. What I intend to do is to put a potato in the bottom and then I'll screw the buckets on as the leaf pops through. Needs to be a metre high, so I'll probably use 3, maybe even 4 buckets. Pop a few inches of compost in there. And this is a russet. It's not chitted much, but I'm not worried about that. I'm going to pop that in there, 1 russet, which is supposedly an indeterminate type of potato. I'll cover it over a little bit and we'll wait for it to come through. I have no faith in this whatsoever, but I'm in. April the 2nd, it's a russet Potato Tower Challenge. I tried this experiment a few years ago and the leaf grew up and up and up and up and up, but when I tipped it out there were just a few tiny potatoes in the bottom. Complete disaster. Now, I watched either last week or the week before Hydroponic Gardening and More with Brent, and he did a very similar experiment with very similar results, and it appears that the potato spends that much energy sending the leaf up and up and up, it doesn't bother producing any potatoes, and he found just a few in the bottom. Not a rip-roaring success, that's for sure. So what I'm going to do now, in this one I'm going to put 2 russets in there, and when I add a bucket I'm going to add 2 more, and then when I add a 3rd bucket I'm going to add 2 more, and at the same time as I add potatoes to the buckets I'm going to put 2 in this one and just leave it. When I put the 2nd bucket on and I add 2 more, I'll start a 2nd bucket off and just leave that, and then with these 2 we'll do a shootout when it comes time to tip them out. Now, I don't necessarily disagree with the theory of determinate and indeterminate potatoes, but just because they're kind of related to tomatoes, it doesn't mean to say that they have to behave like them, does it? Okay, a little bit of soil over them, and my little experiment is underway. Well, I know I said I wasn't going to make any videos for a few weeks, but I needed to take a break anyway, because right now I think it's time for a beer. It's turning out to be a nice day. Cheers. If you've enjoyed this video, please don't forget to leave a comment, hit the like button or subscribe.